Hi, my name is Caputo. I'm an undergraduate student at Stevens Institute of Technology, and I'm participating in Cornell's CLASSE RU program for the summer 2024. Specifically, I've been doing work in the SRF group. I don't have much time, so I'm going to just cut to the chase. I've been using this software that allows us to visualize electromagnetic fields to get a very particular quantity. That's what my project has been about, a lot chasing this quantity. So I'm just going to show you how I get that quantity using a so-called fields calculator in the program. So here we are just in our file. I'm not going to go over all of these different functions because software ANSYS actually has in their manual a very concise layout of all of these. I'm just going to show some other features. So let's just get a quantity to save in here. Let's just say we want the mag of the H/2, and we can go and add that to our named expressions, just like that. Now we can load it back in, and the first thing we might want to do with this is save it to a file just for backup. We could also load it into other projects doing this. Bada bing, bada boom, and it exists here. Text file. All right, something else we can do with this is export this data, which is solved as a field over a whole model. So we can take it from this simulation and put it into another simulation and do math and get numbers. And you would think you'd use export and you'd be wrong. You use write, obviously. So we can take this, write it into field quantity. So already here, mag H quantity. Boom. Now if we want to import it back into the calculator, we use the read command and we get it here and it goes right in there. Now, one last thing I want to show off here is that you can evaluate this at a point and get a value for that. Very nice. Something else you could do though is if you have multiple variations, let's just say I want to add this now, mag each point. As you can see, these are my multiple variations, 3 variations here. I can actually create a data table for this, like so, my and I can create a nice little data table which I can export as a CSV, and this is how I extracted all of my data from ANSYS to then analyze and get results for my project. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show. Thank you for listening. All right. I didn't just work over the summer. Everybody knows that Ithaca is gorgeous, and I took that opportunity to pursue some hobbies. For example, it's the first time I shot film photography. It's not so bad. Reading, running, cooking. I would show my knife, but I don't think that you should really do that in a professional setting. Good knife, though. But really, aside from all this, I really enjoyed my time up here. Work-life balance was really good. And I would just like to give a really big thank you to everybody in the class program, funding agencies who allowed me to be here. I really appreciate it. Thank you.